Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. The Lassaigne test fails when nitrogen is present as a salt, i.e., in ionic form, such as NH3+ or as a hydrochloride salt of a nitrogen base, because the nitrogen in ionic form, ammonium type NH bonds in a salt, does not fuse effectively with sodium to form narration. More specifically, when a compound is a salt of hydrazine, like hydrazine hydrochloride, NH2NH2.HCl, the sodium metal first reacts with the HCl, the acidic proton of the salt, to form NaCl and H2, consuming the sodium before it can react with the nitrogen to form narration. As a result, no cyanide ion is produced and the test fails. Reasoning for each option. A. NH2COM2 urea contains nitrogen in covalent form. On fusion with sodium, it produces narration. Test succeeds. B. NH2CON2.HCl, semicarbazide hydrochloride. Although it is a hydrochloride salt, the compound still has sufficient nitrogen in covalent linkages, amide type, that upon fusion, narration is formed. Test succeeds. C. NH2NH2.HCl, hydrazine hydrochloride. This is a simple salt where sodium reacts preferentially with HCl to give NaCl plus H2, leaving no effective sodium to convert the nitrogen into narration. Additionally, hydrazine itself does not have a carbon atom bonded to nitrogen, no CN bond in the organic sense, so CN cannot be formed. The compound has no carbon, so formation of narration is impossible. Test fails. D. C6H5NHNH2.2HCl, phenylhydrazine dihydrochloride. Although it is a dihydrochloride salt, the phenyl ring provides carbon atoms bonded to nitrogen, and upon sodium fusion, the sodium neutralizes the HCl, but sufficient CN bond fusion can still produce narration. Test succeeds. The critical point for CNH2NH2.HCl has no carbon atom, so narration cannot possibly be formed regardless of the fusion conditions. Without carbon, no cyanide is produced, and the Prussian blue test gives a negative result. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.